Hello again, this is Mr. Hassel with another music theory lesson. This is lesson 43 of Unit 11. Today we're going to talk about 3/8 and 6/8 time signatures. In 3/8 time, it means that there are 3 beats in each measure, and the 8 on the bottom means that the 8th note is getting 1 beat. So let's clap this rhythm here. I'm going to pat the counter here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In 6/8 time, there are 6 beats in each measure, and the 8th note is still getting 1 beat. So let's do this rhythm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1, in the examples, circle the measure with the incorrect number of beats. So this measure is okay. Each measure should have 3 counts. So if our 8th note's getting 1 beat, this would add up to 3 counts. This measure, 1, 2, 3, this measure would be wrong. 1, 2, 3, this measure would be wrong. And 1, 2, 3, this measure would be correct. Now on B, we're in 6/8 time, so we should have 6 counts in each measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so that measure has too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that measure's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's got too many, so that's wrong. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that one would be correct. Number 2, complete the measures using one note or rest. Write the beats, then count and clap the rhythm. So right here, we need 3 counts in each measure, so 1, 2, the note we would need would be an 8th note. This one would be 1, 2. This would be an 8th rest. This would be a quarter note. And this would be a quarter rest. I had to think about that one for a minute. Let's write the beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's clap that rhythm for A. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're in 6/8 time. See the 6 there? So 1, 2, 3. The note we would need here, which would get 3 counts, would be a dotted quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would need an 8th note here. 1, 2, 3. And then right here we would need a 3/4 note. And this one we would need a dotted quarter rest. Yes, that is a thing. So let's write out the counts for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's clap that rhythm together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this completes our lesson on the 3/8 and 6/8 time signature. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.